Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your own quote to the Daily Quotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on this profile icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should tap on this add your quote button in the your quote section. That's the second one, and then click on add quote down below. Here you should type in the quote, type it in, then add the author, which is optional, and click on the save button. So here you will be able to find your quote. If you want to share it, tap on the share button, and if you want to get rid of it, tap on the bin icon and click on delete. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.